Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Pauline Newman. I hope you all are doing well. I'd like to share with you my Sephora play for the month of February. And here is the box. Here are the items that are in the box. And the newsletter that comes with it says, mix your love potion. Love Struck Beauty. And so it just shows you what's in the box. And of course you receive 50 Beauty Insider points whenever you purchase a full size of any of the items that's in the box. So that 50 Beauty Insider points will be added to your account. In the box, it's $10 a month. And in the box you receive anything, anywhere from hair care, skin care, and or makeup. So let's get into it and see what we receive this month, shall we? Ooh, the first thing is this Stella McCartney Eau de Parfum, and this is called A Little Love Note. That's pretty, but I've smelled, you know, I smelled it before. It's a very pretty perfume, but I smelled similar before, so I'm not blown away, but it is still a gorgeous fragrance. Next, let me just tell you what it says about it. This soft feminine scent is an homage to the English rose, with sharp contrast in the notes that keep things interesting. Stella McCartney is a trend-setting fashion brand known for its chic designs and timeless scent. And the fragrance family is floral. The top note is rose, middle note is peony flower, and the base notes are mandarin and amber. That's why I'm not blown away, because there's no vanilla in it. Next up, we have, this is the Clinique Quick Liner for the Eyes in Intense Ebony. And it says, a richly pigmented eyeliner pencil in deep black shade. With this creamy formula, intense eye contact is a given. It glides on easy without any tugging or pulling. Plus it gives you 60 seconds of playtime before setting for water-resistant, long-lasting wear. And this is what it looks like. Oh, that is only one swipe. And it is creamy. There was no tugging. Oh, this is going to be perfect. Absolutely perfect. I do like that. And next we have Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup. And this says it's a super long wear matte foundation that covers imperfections and uneven skin tones. Get buildable medium to full coverage with this lightweight, comfortable formula that never gets cakey or smudges. Best of all, it stays put for 24 hours. And they sent me 7W1 in Deep Spice, and I can tell you right now, that is way too dark for me. Yep, way too dark. But I can give that to someone. Next up we have, this is a Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. And it says it's a radiance boosting sleeping mask that improves uneven skin tone and texture. This light bouncy formula hydrates and smooths skin with an ultra soothing watermelon extract while you sleep. Plus it won't come off in the night and ruin your pillowcase. So it has this gel texture, and it looks like that. And it does have a watermelon scent, sort of like one of those watermelon starbursts. That's exactly what this smells like. And then we have from Caudalie Venusaurus. This is a moisturizer. This is a super light gel cream that hydrates and calms skin. You deserve the very best, and this ultra soothing formula is it. It nurtures a sensitive skin with organic grape water, comforting chamomile, and antioxidant-rich grape seed. Again, perfect for traveling. And lastly, this is Wonder Beauty Baggage Queen Gold Eye Masks. It says a set of gold foil eye masks that brighten and hydrate skin. This multitasking eye mask does more than just look super luxurious. The serum hydrates skin and diminishes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles in the delicate under eye area. This will be perfect for travel as well. And that is it for my Sephora play for the month of February. Overall, I am pleased. I am very pleased with what I received this month, because a couple of these will be going with me on my cruise. So I'm very pleased with what I received. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please go ahead and click the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. As always, be kind to yourself, be kind to others. Simply pay it forward. Until next time, bye-bye.